How to develop a business model. This is Module 1, Lesson 2, How to develop a business model. This is Lesson 2 of the inaugural masterclass, The Curious Starter, which serves as part of the foundation for our process of developing strategic business tools for scaling culture. The 3MTC Research UK signature business tools encompass our entire process of developing a business strategy and instituting a scaling culture inside your organization. This scaling process is a three-step procedure and requires you to first establish a foundation tool called business model, which we have dubbed the visionary, followed by a business plan dubbed the Maven, before developing and implementing your business strategy dubbed the Advent. Hence, following the creation of your business model, you will create a business plan and finally a business strategy. The purpose of this lesson in the masterclass is to demonstrate the relationship between 3MTC Research UK's signature business tools, how they build on one another, how you may adapt and develop a scaling culture for your firm in a systematic manner using these three steps without making it feel like a complicated chore. Please note, these are our simple steps for developing a strategy in your business. Through the proper application of the 3MTC Research UK signature business tools, and once executed appropriately and systematically, you would successfully complete our entire process. These tools are interconnected and each one builds on the previous one. The next slide show the definitions of a business model, business plan, and business strategy so that you can understand what each tool can and cannot achieve for your business. So here we have the business model meeting the business plan. The business model concerns itself with all the basic activities associated with making something, selling something, and then identifying your market risks, product risks, and customer risks. In general, a business model is a general plan that identifies risks, resources for generating revenue, and anticipated expenses, customer base, customer segments, your services, products that the business plans to sell or generate revenue from, including details of revenue streams for operating of the enterprise. On the other hand, the business plan is a general plan for arraying in detail what business you are in, with a goal to define direction and scope for the nature of your services. It includes goals, objectives, the industry, expertise in your business, target market, competition, exit strategy, operating plan, technology required, sales strategy, and your marketing strategy. The business plan can be altered depending on direction of the business once you start operating. All the basic activities that are associated with the enterprise's operating procedures or plans, you will find them in the business plan, as well as the enterprise's financial plans and projections. They are all done in the business plan, and that includes your income, your resources, and your profits, your intended profits. A strong business model is an excellent starting point for developing your business plan because it enables you to determine the viability of or feasibility of the business opportunity you're pursuing. To be clear, if a feasibility plan is required, when you discover that a feasibility plan is required, a feasibility study must be commissioned. with its findings and recommendations focus on the dimensions of your business's viability framework, which is market viability, technical viability, business model viability, and management model viability, among others. You may proceed to develop your business model prior to establishing the structure of your business. A business model demonstrates how will the business earn money. Is it going to be recurring revenue? Which method of business valuation will be used? Will we charge subscriptions, earn affiliate commissions, charge membership dues, sell products, and so forth? That is the job of your business model. Further, we look then at the differences between a business plan and business strategy. Remember, these are the three steps in our program for you to develop a strategy in your business. I'll remind you again, the business plan is all the basic activities associated with the enterprise's operating plans or procedures and milestones set for yourself. It is also concerned with your financial plans and projections, that is, income, loans, the balance sheet, cash, profit, and loss. That's the job of a business plan. It details that aspect of income expenditure and income required for your business. On the other hand, a business strategy is a general long term plan for arraying and maneuvering resources with a goal to create revenue or return on investment for a business unit. It includes goals, products and services, customer segments, markets, industry and competitive factors, and objectives. This strategy can be altered depending on demand. All the basic activities associated with the enterprise's differentiation are found in a business strategy. All activities associated with the enterprise's competitive advantage are found in the business strategy. All environmental factors that you should be concerned with, you will note them and identify them within your business strategy. You may have touched base on them in the business plan. You see, this is how you are building on. These tools build on one another. A business plan details your business idea. That's the main reason for a business plan, and it serves as a roadmap for completing your business mission. It is a very important tool when it comes to funding, if you're looking to get loans from the banks or financial institution. Its function is to explain your smart set of steps for achieving your business mission by explaining clear set of business objectives, goals, procedures, and timelines. On the other hand, a business strategy is a mechanism for doing the right things, utilizing available resources to drive your business idea or company from where you are now to where you want to be. But to do this, you need to be aware of resources available to you. Hence, from the beginning, when you develop a business model, you were identifying resources and you went on to build on the detail of those resources in your business plan. A business strategy assists you in creating a differentiating position for your business and services. In the next masterclass, you will be guided through the most critical step in our approach for initiating the development of a business strategy in three steps, starting with the visionary. The MTC Research UK Signature Business Tools process first focuses on the business model, and we have dubbed it a visionary business tool. The visionary is the fundamental business tool that establishes your business concept by identifying your product risks, market risks, and customer risks. Hence, it is appropriate to develop a business model prior to your business plan, and not only with or within the business plan, because in the business plan as well, you have to illustrate your business model. However, it might be too late at this stage when you go straight into a business plan and discover you have the need for a feasibility study. A feasibility plan is appropriate to develop before the MAVEN, which is the business plan. Knowledge has to be improved, challenged, and increased constantly, or it vanishes. This is one of my favorite quotes, and I find it to be relevant in this program. Thank you. This brings us to the end of Module 1, Lesson 2, How to Develop a Business Model.